Today we are going to deal with a new chapter from class 7, that is Fibre to Fabric. You all have studied about fibers in class 6 also. Do you remember studying about natural fibers in class 6? Can you name some natural fibers? Just recall and name some natural fibers. I hope you're able to recall the name of natural fibers. So first let us see what are natural fibers. Okay. So natural fibers are the fibers which are obtained from natural sources. Okay, natural sources. Those natural sources can be plants or animals. So such as plants and animals are known as natural fibers. Okay, are known as natural fibers. So जुन चाहिँ fibers छ हामीले natural चीजबाट पाउँछ जस्तो plants and animals, त्यसलाई चाहिँ natural fibers भनिन्छ. For example of some natural fibers are cotton, you've already studied about cotton, and jute, wool and silk. Okay, so these are examples of natural fibers. Now you know cotton and jute are obtained from plants. Okay, we get cotton and jute from plants, and we get wool and silk from animals. So we've already studied about the plant fibers in class 6. In class 7 we will be studying about the animal fibers, that is the fibers that we obtain from animals. Okay, right now I told you there are two animal fibers that are obtained from animals, that is wool and silk. So let us take them up one by one. So first, wool. Okay. Now wool is obtained from different animals. Okay, different animals, and the animals which give us wool are known as wool yielding animals. So the animals which give us wool are known as wool yielding animals. Okay, अब यो wool yielding animals के कुन चाहिँ हो त? Wool yielding animals भनेको चाहिँ जसले चाहिँ हामीलाई wool दिन्छ, ऊन दिन्छ. Okay, so I have here pictures of some animals. Okay, these animals give us wool. You know why, Vinny? If you look at the picture, these are the pictures of animals that give us wool. First is sheep, then yak, Angora goat, llama, alpaca, goat, Angora rabbit, camel. So these are different wool yielding animals. Now these animals are found in different parts of India. For example, sheep is found in different states of India such as Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal. Even in Sikkim we find sheep. Okay, sheep gives us wool. Next is yak. Yak is found in northern Sikkim, Tibet, Ladakh. Angora goat is found in Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, llama and alpaca, these are types of camels and these are found in South America. Goat, again, it is found in different parts of India. Angora rabbit is found in Uttaranchal and Himachal Pradesh, and camel is found in Uttaranchal. Okay, so these are the animals which give us wool. Now if you look at these pictures carefully, what do you see in common in all these animals? के चाहिँ common छ यो सबै animals मा? राम्रोसँगले तपाईले observe गर्नुभयो भने यो picture मा, here all the animals, they have a thick coat of hair. Okay, and we use this hair to make wool. Okay, so different animals. What are the animals which give us wool? Wool are, example are sheep, okay, yak, camel, we have different kinds of camel, goat, Okay, angora, goat, even rabbit. So all these animals, they give us wool. Okay, and so they are known as wool yielding animals. Now, how do we get wool from these animals? Okay, उनीहरूको hair जुन चाहिँ छ, hair बाट चाहिँ we get wool. So how do we get that wool? Let us study the process of getting wool, or the process of making wool. Okay. So when wool is made, or how is wool made from these animals, there are various steps. त्यसको steps छ wool making process को. So के steps रहेछ हेरौँ. Process of making wool. Okay. The first step in process of making wool is known as shearing. Okay, shearing. Now let us define shearing. The process of removing fleece from fleece along with a thin layer of skin. Okay, along with a thin layer of skin is known as shearing. Okay, so shearing मा चाहिँ के गरिँदो रहेछ भन्दा चाहिँ sheep को जुन चाहिँ hair छ, त्यो hair सँगसँगै बाहिरको thin layer of skin छ, that is also removed. Okay, त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामी भन्छौँ shearing, and this is the first step in the process of making wool. Now अब यहाँ भन्दैछ नि sheep को shearing गर्दाखेरि sheep को माथिको layer पनि के गर्छ, along with the hair it is also removed. So do you think when the skin of the sheep along with the hair is also removed, does it hurt the sheep? Sheep लाई दुख्छ होला? No, it does not hurt the sheep. Okay, sheep लाई दुख्दैन. किन भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ हामीलाई कपाल काट्दा दुख्दैन नि त, जस्तै हामीलाई कपाल काट्दा दुख्दैन, हाम्रो बाबाहरूलाई बियर्ड शेभ गर्दाखेरि दुख्दैन, त्यसरी नै sheep को पनि हामीले जब त्यो स्किन र माथिको uppermost layer of the skin है ल, सबसे माथिको skin along with the hair, when it is removed it does not hurt the sheep because the uppermost layer of the skin of the sheep is dead. Hair पनि dead हुन्छ, skin पनि dead हुन्छ, so when that is removed it does not hurt the sheep. Okay, so अब sheep को body बाट जब shearing गरिन्छ entire hair is removed. Hair लाई चाहिँ हामी fleece भन्छ है न, fleece जुन चाहिँ बाहिरको hair, sheep को hair लाई चाहिँ we call it the fleece. Okay, so त्यो जब fleece remove गरिन्छ त्यति बेला त अब body नाङ्गै हुन्छ नि त है, the sheep को अन्त. Do you think the sheep will feel cold when all the hair is removed from its body? Again the answer is no, because this shearing is done during the summer or the spring season. Okay, so when summer मा गरम महिनामा चाहिँ त्यसको wool लाई निकाल्छ किनभने गरम हुन्छ नि त उनीहरुलाई, so त्यो wool काटिदिन्छ. By the time the winter comes, then their hair also comes back and they do not feel cold. Okay, now यहाँनिर मैले process of making wool ma we are discussing the steps. Now wool is commonly हुन्छ थुप्रो अरु animals जस्तो मैले अघि भने याकहरुबाट, क्यामलहरुबाट पनि हामीले we get wool, but the most common or the maximum amount of wool that we get is from sheep only. Okay, sheep बाट चाहिँ सबसे ज्यादा wool निकालिन्छ, त्यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ sheep को मैले यहाँनिर process बताउँदै छु है. So removing the fleece along with a thin layer of skin, that is known as shearing, and shearing does not hurt the sheep also, and the sheep do not feel cold also. Okay, now the second step is known as scouring. Second step मा चाहिँ भनिन्छ हामी scouring. यहाँ चाहिँ के गरिन्छ भन्दा चाहिँ washing गरिन्छ. Okay, so the process of washing sheared skin, the process of washing shared here है in tanks. So यिनीहरूलाई चाहिँ ठुल्ठुलो ट्याङ्क्समा चाहिँ के गरिन्छ वाश गरिन्छ in tanks to remove dirt, dust and grease. So यो हेयरमा धुलोहरू टाँसेको हुन्छ मैला हुन्छ ग्रीज हुन्छ. So to remove all these the hair is taken to tanks and then it is washed. Okay, so that process is known as scouring. And the scouring it can be done manually. It can be done manually. Manually भनेको मान्छेले हातले पनि धुनु सक्छ or and also it can be done with the help of machines. Okay, manually or it can be done with the help of machines. Done with the help of machines. So this is the second step in making wool. Okay, now let us come to the third step. The third step is known as sorting. Okay, sorting भनेको चाहिँ separate गर्नु छुट्याउनु. Okay, so sorting मा चाहिँ के गरिन्छ भन्दा चाहिँ different texture को fibers हरूलाई चाहिँ के गरिन्छ छुट्याइन्छ. Okay, that is known as sorting. After the hair is washed and cleaned thoroughly. मजाले धोइसकेपछि washed and cleaned thoroughly. It is taken to or it is sent to factories where factories मा चाहिँ के गरिन्छ भन्दा चाहिँ where fibers of different animals and different textures are sorted भनेको चाहिँ separate गर्नु or separated. So third step मा first step मा चाहिँ काट्छ sheep को body बाट. second step मा त्यसलाई मजाले धुन्छ, that is scoring. The third step is sorting. So after it is thoroughly washed मजाले धोइसकेपछि it is then sent to factories. Factories मा लगेर चाहिँ के गर्छ भन्दा चाहिँ separate गर्छ. केलाई separate गर्छ भन्दा now I told you earlier we get wool from different kinds of animals. So यो different animals बाट हामीले wool पाउँछ नि त है. सो यसबाट अंगोरा गोट, अंगोरा ऱ्याबिट बाट पाएको वुलहरु very soft हुन्छ. क्यामलहरुबाट पाएको वुल अलिकति हुन सक्छ त्यो रफ हुन सक्छ, कोर्स खस्रो खालके हुन सक्छ. सो डिफरेंट टेक्सचर हुन्छ नि त. सो डिफरेंट एनिमल्स बाट आएको वुल को चाहिँ डिफरेंट टेक्सचर हुन्छ. सम माइट बी रफ, सम माइट बी स्मूथ, सम माइट बी शाइनी, सम माइट नॉट बी शाइनी. ओके, सो त्यस्तो सफ्ट लाई एक ठाउँ छुट्याउँछ है, रफ लाई अलिकति रफ लाई अर्को ठाउँ छुट्याउँछ, शाइनी लाई एक ठाउँ छुट्याउँछ. सो त्यस्तो पाराले चाहिँ these are sorted or separated. Now the fourth step is picking burrs. Okay, picking burrs. After they are separated, now small fluffy fibers, small fluffy भनेको soft खालके, okay, fluffy fibers called burrs are picked up from the hair. Are picked up from the hair. है, burrs हुन्छ त्यो हेयरमा. burrs भनेको चाहिँ तपाईहरु पहिला हाम्रो स्वेटर तिर पनि आउँछ नि, हामी नेपालीमा चाहिँ भुवा भन्छौं हो, त्यस्तो burrs हेयरमा हुन्छ. सो फोर्थ स्टेपमा चाहिँ that burrs are picked up. Okay, these burrs are picked up. After the burrs are picked up, the fibers are again, okay, the fibers are again scoured. Again scoured गर्छ त्यसलाई. Scoured गर्नु भनेको चाहिँ त्यसलाई फेरि धुइन्छ. Okay, scoured and dried. Okay, त्यसलाई फेरि धुएर फेरि सुकाउँछ after the burr is picked up. us come to the fifth step, that is called dyeing. Okay, dyeing भनेको मर्नु भनेको हैन यहाँ. Okay, dyeing भनेको यहाँ स्पेलिङ चाहिँ अर्कै छ, DYEING, dyeing. DYE dye भनेको चाहिँ कलर हो. ओके, नाउ अब तपाईले मार्केटमा देख्नु भएको छ नि है, वुल डिफरेन्ट कलर्सको पाइन्छ नि, रेड, ग्रीन, येलो, पर्पल, एनी कलरमा पाइन्छ. सो त्यो नेचुरली त शिपको कलर त ग्रीन, रेड हुन्छ, पिङ्क कलरको शिपहरू हुन्छ हुँदैन नि. ओके, नेचुरल कलर चाहिँ शिपको खाली तीनटा हुन्छ. इट क्यान बी व्हाइट, इट क्यान बी ब्ल्याक, इट क्यान बी ब्राउन. तर बजारमा त व्हाइट, ब्ल्याक, ब्राउन बाहेक पनि अरू कलरको वुल पनि पाउँछ नि त. सो त्यो कसरी बनाएको भन्दा चाहिँ त्यसलाई चाहिँ हामी के गर्छ, डाई गर्छ. द फिफ्थ स्टेप इज डाइङ. सो DYEING, DIEING हैन है, यो डाई भनेको चाहिँ यो चाहिँ DIE डाई भनेको चाहिँ मर्नु हो, तर यहाँ चाहिँ DYE डाई. ओके, इट मीन्स कलर. ओके, सो the fibers are dyed in different colors. Okay, fibers are dyed in different colors. So different colors चाहिँ यसलाई डाई गरिन्छ. The natural color of ship fibers are, the natural color of fibers मात्रै लेखौँ न ल. The natural color of the fibers are white, brown and black. Okay, so apart from this, to obtain various different colors, they are dyed. Okay, now we've come to the last step, that is the sixth step, and that is known as making ready for weaving. The weaving मात्रै लेख्दिन हुन्छ, making ready for weaving. Right, making ready for weaving. Now after the dyes are colored or given different colors, then the fibers are straightened. They are combed, right? Combed. They are straightened, combed, and then it is rolled into yarn. यान भनेको चाहिँ बजारमा हामी पाउँछौँ नि, यस्तो खालके यसरी यान बनाउँछ. यान अझै लामो हुन्छ, यो चाहिँ मैले डल्लो पारेर राखेकोले यस्तो भएको. सो यस्तो पाराले यानमा चाहिँ कन्भर्ट गरिन्छ. ओके, नाउ after they are straightened, combed and rolled into yarn, the longer fibers are used for making wool. And the shorter fibers are woven into woolen clothes. Okay, त्यहाँदेखि त्यो शर्टर लामो जुन चाहिँ फाइबर्स छ त्यसबाट चाहिँ यस्तो वुल बनाउँछ. लामो फाइबर्सबाट चाहिँ छोटो फाइबर्स छ भने चाहिँ त्यसबाट तपाईले बजारमा पाउँछ नि वुलको बुनेको स्वेटर्सहरु है, हो त्यो चाहिँ छोटो फाइबर्सबाट चाहिँ मसिनले बुनेर चाहिँ त्यसबाट चाहिँ वुलन क्लोथ्स निकालिन्छ. So this is how in 6 steps the wool is obtained from sheep. Okay, first step is shearing, second scouring, third is sorting, fourth picking burrs, fifth is dyeing, sixth is weaving into or making ready for weaving. Okay, so यो 6 वटा steps मा चाहिँ wool चाहिँ we obtain wool. Okay, now let us move to rearing. अर्को एउटा टपिक छ rearing. Now अब हामीले भन्यौ wool त we get it from sheep, तर एउटा sheepबाट त हामीले अलिकति wool त पाउँछ हैन. So अब थुप्रो wool पाउनुको लागि चाहिँ what do people do भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ they rear sheep. Okay, to obtain wool, people rear sheep. To obtain wool, sheep are reared. Okay, sheep are reared. Sheep को चाहिँ सिंगुलर पनि SHEP sheep हुन्छ, प्लुरल पनि SHEP sheep हुन्छ ल, S हुँदैन है ल. गोट को चाहिँ गोट्स हुन्छ नि त, sheep को चाहिँ त्यस्तो हुँदैन. सिंगुलर पनि sheep हो, प्लुरल पनि sheep हो. So to obtain wool, sheep चाहिँ rear गरिन्छ. rear गर्नु भनेको चाहिँ के हो, नेपालीमा भन्दा चाहिँ के रे पाल्नु. Okay, rearing means पाल्नु. So let us write down the definition of rearing. Rearing is the process of raising a large number of animals. So rearing मा चाहिँ के गरिन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ हामीले थुप्रो कम्ती मात्रै हैन, बेसी large number of animals are raised together. हो, यिनीहरुलाई चाहिँ सँगै राखेर तिनीहरुलाई फुड प्रोवाइड गरेर, शेल्टर दिएर, वाटर दिएर, इफ दे आर सिक दे आर गिवन मेडिसिन्स. त्यस्तो पाराले चाहिँ a large number of animals are raised together. Okay, they are raised together. So this process is known as rearing. अन्त रियरिङ चाहिँ मान्छेले आफ्नो फाइदाको लागि गर्छ नि. गाई थुप्रो पाल्नु पनि केको लागि, घिउ पाउनुको लागि, दूध पाउनुको लागि, म्यान्युर पाउनुको लागि. त्यस्तै गरी शिप थुप्रो पाल्नुको मतलब चाहिँ वुल निकाल्नुको लागि. Okay, so यसरी चाहिँ rearing is done. Now sheep are reared in different parts of India. Okay, sheep are reared in different parts of India. So कुन चाहिँ parts मा चाहिँ rear गरिँदो रहेछ या त पालिँदो रहेछ. Let us see. Okay, which parts of India sheep are reared? First is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. Second is Himachal Pradesh. Okay, Himachal Pradesh. Okay, and third is Uttaranchal. Fourth is Punjab, Haryana. Okay, Sikkim. In Sikkim, our state ma pani we rear sheep. Okay, Sikkim. And then comes Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh, Gujarat. Okay, and then Rajasthan. Okay, so sheep चाहिँ यो 9 वटा different parts of India मा चाहिँ rear गरिन्छ. rear भनेको पालिन्छ. Now sheep को पनि different breeds हुन्छ नि. जस्तो कुकुर पनि सबै एउटै किसिमको हुँदैन नि. different types of dogs are found. Similarly sheep को पनि different breeds हुन्छ. So some of the breeds are known as Lohi, कसैलाई चाहिँ भाकरवाल भनिन्छ, कसैलाई रामपुरबुशायर भनिन्छ. Okay, so many different breeds of sheep are found and these are reared in India. So there is a breed called Lohi that is found in Gujarat. It is also found in Punjab. Okay, Lohi चाहिँ Gujarat, Punjab मा पाइन्छ. So यस्तो पाराले different breeds of sheep are reared in India. Now, do you know that one of the सबभन्दा expensive wool चाहिँ world मा कुन चाहिँ होला भन्दा चाहिँ most expensive wool that is found in the world is known as vicuna. Vicuna wool is the most expensive, सबभन्दा महँगो, okay, most expensive wool in the world, and it is obtained from vicuna, from an animal that is known as vicuna. Okay, vicuna भन्ने animal बाट चाहिँ पाइन्छ. Now vicuna is a type of camel. Okay, camel जस्तो अल्पाका लामा जस्तो एउटा camel हो, type of camel, सानो सानो खालके camel हो. Okay, so यो चाहिँ भयो विकुना वुल। विकुना वुल चाहिँ यति साह्रो एक्सपेन्सिभ छ, 1 kg को अराउन्ड 30,000 टु इभन लाक्समा पनि पुग्छ त्यसको प्राइस चाहिँ। ओके, कति कति लाक्ससम्म पनि पुग्छ। नाउ इन इन्डिया अल्सो, फ्रम इन्डिया अल्सो वी गेट वान काइन्ड अफ एक्सपेन्सिभ वुल। यो विकुना जतिको एक्सपेन्सिभ त होइन, तर पनि एक्सपेन्सिभ वुल पाइन्छ, द्याट इज नोन एज पश्मिना। ओके, पश्मिना, इट इज अल्सो राम्रो क्वालिटीको हो यो वुल पनि, पश्मिना, और इट इज नोन एज और क्याश्मियर। ओके, क्याश्मियर पनि भनिन्छ। सो पश्मिना और क्याश्मियर इज ओब्टेन फ्रम कश्मीर, कश्मीरबाट पाउँछ। र यो कश्मीरमा चाहिँ केबाट निकाल्छ त यो वुल भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ इट इज ओब्टेन फ्रम 4 डिफरेन्ट ब्रिड्स अफ गोट। ओके, 4वटा डिफरेन्ट ब्रिड्स अफ गोटबाट चाहिँ यो पश्मिना और क्याश्मियर वुल इज ओब्टेन्ड। ओके, र वुल चाहिँ बायोडिग्रेडेबल पनि हो। बायोडिग्रेडेबल भनेको यो क्विन छ अनि यसलाई हामीले घरिघरि युज पनि गर्न सकिन्छ। सो वुलले चाहिँ हाम्रो एन्भाइरोमेन्टलाई हार्म गर्दैन। ओके, इट इज रियुजेबल एन्ड इट इज बायोडिग्रेडेबल, सो इट डज नट हार्म द एन्भाइरोमेन्ट एन्ड इट इज गुड फर द एन्भाइरोमेन्ट। Okay, so let us end today's class here. See you tomorrow.